It's Saturday, guys. Welcome to it. What we're gonna do is go over CrossFit-y things. Cool. I'm gonna jump right in. You've got to warm up. We're gonna go 3 rounds, but on the clock. So just start a running clock, get into it. 1 minute of butt kicks. That's a lot. Play with it, okay? There's a lot of different ways you can kick your butt. And then 30 seconds of push-up to pike. So you're just looking for a push-up into a down dog, into a push-up, so on and so forth. And then 30 seconds of high knees, and then repeat until sweaty. Cool. You've got some mobility. With the mobility, we're gonna chase after a couch stretch. So all you need is a floor and then a sturdy wall. The key to the couch stretch is that your knee needs to go into that 90-degree angle between the wall and the floor. Okay, it doesn't do the same thing if your knee is like 4 to 6 to 8 inches away from the wall. It's gonna allow you to compensate and stretch other things. The other thing is once you get that knee jammed up into there, I would start low, squeeze your butt, and then slowly open up. What we don't wanna do is stretch out our lower back or tweak our lower back, and that's what's gonna happen if you don't go into it with an active stretch, with the glutes and the quads involved. You're just gonna lean back and be like, yeah, couch stretch, I got it. And then your lower back's probably gonna hurt later. So 60 seconds to 2 minutes there on both sides. And then you've got a thruster warm up. Just go through and warm up your thrusters. They're not light, so you're gonna want a solid thruster warm up before you jump in. Outside of that, we've got a hellaciously long workout for today. It is definitely a Saturday workout in all of its glory. I'm gonna go through the equipment, the fully equipped, partial, and then what we're gonna do on the Zoom class with the no equipment. Generally speaking, it's gonna follow the same format, but 21, 15, 9, 6 of thrusters at 135.95 into 15 or 12 calorie row after each set. So 21 thrusters, 15 calories. 15 thrusters, 15 calories. 12, 15, 9, 15, 6, 15, so on and so forth. Cool. First little bit of advice. These thrusters are heavy, but they shouldn't turn into clusters or those single rep thrusters. You want to be able to maintain at least 3 to 7 at a time if you had to, okay? You just do not want to have to clean this thing over and over and over again, especially when you're only on the 12s or the 9s, whatever that is. And then steady state on that row. I wouldn't drive it up into madness and try to get that 15 cal row done in like 45 seconds or 30 seconds. When you get done with that, rocking out on a 2K row, or a 2K run, I'm sorry. So measure it out, that's 2,000 meters, it's a little more than a mile. The first few hundred meters of that are gonna be just recovery, and then you should be able to find a solid running clip to finish at a pretty steady, aggressive, I'd say like 2 mile to 5K pace. Going into the partial equipment options, you've got dumbbell thrusters. If you've got 1 or 1 kettlebell, I would rock out and just switch every 5. It's gonna change the workout a little bit. It's not gonna be a heavy slugfest, but that's okay. It's just gonna be a faster workout. If you have to, awesome, make it challenging. Go for the double kettlebell or double dumbbell thruster. Same thing on the cow row or the cow bike. If you have a bike, just keep it at 15 and 12 calories. If you need to knock them down, that's fine, but I wouldn't worry too much about the conversion there. And then you're also gonna finish with a 2K run. Going into if you don't have any equipment or if you don't have a bike or a rower, we've got the same rep scheme. We're gonna go through 21, 15, 12, 9, 6 of jumping air squats. So just squat down, explode up. Flip side of that is gonna be something that I stole from Underground Lab. Thank you, Underground Lab. We're gonna go side to side hop with a shoulder tap, okay? We've got a demo going of that. We just wanna have fluid movement. So play around with the new, kind of essentially a bear crawl. Pop your legs to the side, pop your legs to the side, and then shoulder tap, shoulder tap. That's gonna count as 1 rep, and then you're gonna move pretty quickly through that to accumulate what we're chasing after. Once you get done, you've got a 2K run. If you wanna join us for this, we've got a Zoom workout at noon on Saturday. That's today, if you're watching it today on Saturday. Jump on in, we'll do a follow along. Some of the coaches are gonna be there. We'll have some fun together. Hopefully it's a little bit nicer than Friday. Ugh. Question of the day. Question of the day? Question. Quad? Cod. That's COD's weird. Don't like it. Question of the day. We're gonna stick with it. What's your perfect day look like? We've got a lot of time at home. We've got a lot of time trying to figure out our new schedules. It's probably worth just sitting down and wondering, hey, during this time, what does my perfect day look like? What does my perfect day look like in a normal life? Is that wake up, sleep in, have some coffee with your partner, go to the dog park, take a shower, I don't know, bath bomb to end the day? That sounds really nice. Lush bath bomb. If you've never had a Lush bath bomb, please go spend $8 on a bath bomb and just enjoy everything. You're welcome for that. Anyhow, let us know what your perfect day look like. It can be like one thing from the day or a couple things. Obviously the Instagram comment section is kind of small, but let us know what looks good.